Order filled.
Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Today is Thursday, August 22nd, 2024, and we're going up with IWM. H pattern, moving average bounce, slingshot. H pattern, moving average bounce, slingshot. H pattern, moving average bounce. This was a H pattern, but now it's turning into a lightning to the upside. Impulse, correct, and I expect another impulse back up. We're going to see what happens because here in another moment or so at 9:45 there is a level 2 macro data drop, so that might affect the market. So we're going to watch and monitor this very closely. The price might spike up and come right back down. We're going to move to a break even, a little bit past a break even trade right now, just in case that news shoots the price down. I don't want to lose too much if the news is adverse to the direction that our charts are saying. The charts are still telling us, you know, the move is still strong to the upside. So as always, we're going to watch it bar by bar. Actually, what we're going to do is we're going to set our take profit ahead of time. So we're going to lift our stop. We're going to put it around 75-cent move. And then what we'll do is we'll hover over the close button. If it goes down, we'll just close out. If it spikes up real quick, we'll take a 75-cent move. And here we go.
Order filled.
And there you are, ladies and gentlemen. The price hit our target of 75 cents, which is not too bad, taking in consideration we're trading a Delta 72. So, as always, never forget, be a pro.
Order filled.
Good morning, everyone. Today is Thursday, August 22nd, 2024, and we're going up with QQQ. Moving average bounce, H pattern slingshot. Close enough moving average bounce, slingshot. V pattern Fibonacci, lightning to the upside. I want to point something out. Right here is a huge block. So it's concrete, so we have resistance overhead. If we can't get through that area, we're not making new highs. So we're going to stick around only for about $1. If that hits that area hard, we might actually have some serious selling off. So again, we don't want to outstay our welcome, but looking at the charts, we are trading for our dollar marker and see if we can get a little beyond that. Based on what I see already is we came up to that 485, 485.25 area, and we kept getting rejected. So we're going to keep that in the back of our mind. As always, we're going to play it bar by bar.
Horizontal line triggered on symbol QQQ.
And there's a $1 move, ladies and gentlemen. We're going to lock in half our gains right now, and I want to see what the next bar or two will produce. We haven't had a retrace yet, so I'm kind of sticking around to see that. So we're going to play bar by bar as usual, and right now we're at least guaranteed to walk away with half our gains. Alright, so we impulsed up, and it looks like this is going to be the corrective rate resting on that 21. So we want to see this price accelerate with speed and violence past the 485 and a quarter area. If it doesn't here in the next few minutes, since this is a very small and light retrace before we start hitting that area of control, we will look to get out of our trade. I'm not seeing a lot of speed and acceleration like I would like. So I think we're going to just go ahead. Let me just see here real quick. Oh, whatever. We'll just pull our profits now.
Order filled.
And there's a $1.30 move today, ladies and gentlemen. As always, never forget, be a pro.